Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze the market. This is AUD pair and this is a major trend is uptrend market. Okay, this is support level, this is resistance level. Okay, market at here. Okay, I'm expecting this candle also make a bullish candle. Okay, I will place a higher option. And this is support area. Again some buyers enter the market very strongly. Okay. Okay, very strong buyers entry. Maybe some news affected. Okay, no problem. I'll check the next pair. Okay, this is a strong bearish candle. This is a good entry point, so I am place a trade with a good entry point. So this candle closing at the level, you can see. So I'm expecting candle its touch and rejection make a bearish candle, another bearish candle. Sometimes it's going more down. So I will place a before 10 seconds. This is a good entry point after this very strong engulfing candle, bearish candle. Okay, that's the reason I place a lower option. Okay, I'm expecting candle closing point below my entry point. Okay, we have 10 seconds only. Okay, this is also winning trade. I'll check the next pair. Okay, we'll place a lower option. Okay, there is a level. Okay, there is a gap. So previously some sellers are very strong sellers force. Again very strong sellers entry. So I will expect the next can also make a bearish candle. And this is a minor level. But there is no buyer rejection. It's a very strong candle, very strong selling force. Okay. Okay, we have 5 seconds. Okay, this is also winning trade. I'll check the next pair. Okay, there is a small confusion. Okay, we'll place a lower option. Very good entry point. Previously some sellers are very strongly and next support level at here, but there is a minor level. Again there is no buyer rejection and this is support level and this is also resistance levels at this point. Again this candle make a very strong candle. Again some buyers enter the market. Why? Because middle of the trend some buyers enter the market. Going to continue the market. Okay, there is no buyers entry and this is also winning trade. Check the next pair. Okay, I will try to some margin safety trade this candle. Let's give the opportunity. Okay, this candle at the level, so I will try to place some margin safety trade. But this type of candle again, it's make a bearish candle. Why? Because this is a minor level, so there is a 50-50 chances. Again, this is a very strong momentum. Continue the uptrend market. So that's reason I am not could place a trade. And this is a resistance level also. Okay, we'll place a higher option. Okay, we'll place a higher option, and this is a momentum. So next reversal point at here. So there is a gap. So that's the reason I place a higher option. Okay, very strong buyer's entry. And next seller's entry point at here, but there is a very strong momentum. Again, sometimes sir continue the market, and again continue the reverse the market sometimes. Okay, have 5 seconds. Okay, this is also winning trade. Okay, we'll place a 5 trades, all are winning trades. Okay, if you want pure price action video course, join my Telegram channel. I hope you, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.